हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। कैसे हैं आप लोग? और पढ़ाई कैसे चल रहा है आप लोगों का? जैसे हम बताए थे, आईबीपीएस, आरआरबी, पीओ, चाहे क्लर्क, किसी भी एग्जाम में कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस का जितना क्वेश्चन हो सके हम करवाएंगे। तो आज आईबीपीएस, आरआरबी, क्लर्क का प्रीवियस ईयर 50 क्वेश्चन हम लेके आए हैं। एक रिक्वेस्ट है आप लोगों से, प्लीज वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Dash are often delivered to a PC through an email attachment and are often designed to do harm. Options are virus, spam, portals, SMS message, or none of these. So please tell me what will be the answers. Here the answer is option A, that is virus. Now coming to the next question. Question number 2. SMPS stand for. SMPS stand for switched mode power supply. Options A is the correct answer. चलिए next question number 3. Dash has specially designed computer chips that reside inside other device such as your car or your electronics thermostat. Here the options are servers, embedded computers, robotic computers, mainframes और none of these. इसका उत्तर होगा ऑप्शन बी, एम्बेडेड कंप्यूटर्स। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. द हार्डवेयर डिवाइस और सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम that send message between network is known as a. The hardware device or a software program that send message between networks is known as a bridge or a backbone or router or gateway or none of these. Please try yourself. इसका उत्तर होगा राउटर, ऑप्शन सी। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. मैनेजर्स यूज sophisticated tool to combat cyber slacking, especially involving the internet. Such tools include A. Web filter, B. Surveillance software, C. Proxy server, D. Packet sniper, or all of the above. So what will be the answers? इसका उत्तर होगा ऑप्शन ई, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द above. Next question number 6. Which of the following is not a method of accessing the web? Here the options are modem, ISDN, DSL, CPU, or none of these. What will be the answer, guys? The answer is option D, that is CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU, Central Processing Unit. Coming to the next, that is question number 7. Who is the creator of Pascal language? Who is the creator of Pascal language? इसके लिए आपको बस याद करना है, ठीक है, नेम याद कर लीजिए, निकोलस व्रिथ। ठीक है गाइस, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. A repair for a known software bug usually available at no change on the internet is called. A repair for a known software bug usually available at a no change on the internet is called. Here the options are version, patch, tutorial, FAQ, or none of this. Okay. Tell me guys, what will be the answer? The answer is option B, that is patch. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. What is the base of hexadecimal number system? What is the base of hexadecimal number system? तो बताइए इसका आंसर क्या होगा? इसका उत्तर होगा 16, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Dash is the act of copying or downloading a program from a network and making multiple copies of it. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ऑप्शन ए नेटवर्क पायरेसी, ऑप्शन बी plagiarisms, ऑप्शन सी सॉफ्टवेयर पायरेसी, ऑप्शन डी साइट लाइसेंस पायरेसी और नन ऑफ दिस। इसका उत्तर होगा ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज सॉफ्टवेयर पायरेसी। चलिए कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। Dash is a power saving state designed primarily for laptops. It saves your open documents and programs to your hard disks and turn off our computer. Dash is a power saving state designed primarily for laptops. It saves your open documents and programs to your hard disks and turns off our computer. Here the options are option A sleep, B hibernate, C suitcase, D snooze or option E none of this. What will be the answer? इसका उत्तर होगा ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज हाइबरनेट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। प्रेसिंग CTRL प्लस 9, प्रेसिंग CTRL प्लस 9 इन एक्सेल क्या होगा? इसका उत्तर होगा हाइड द करेंट रो, हाइड द करेंट रो। देखिए शॉर्टकट की से एक क्वेश्चन हर एग्जाम में देखने को मिलता है, तो इस बार भी शायद मिलेगा। ठीक है, ये प्रीवियस ईयर का क्वेश्चन था 2020 का। ठीक है, तो एक्सेल हो चाहे MS वर्ड हो, इसका शॉर्टकट की थोड़ा याद करके जाइएगा बिफोर द एग्जाम। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13। Which type of memory holds only the program and data that CPU is presently processing? Which type of memory holds only the program and data that CPU is presently processing? Options A CMOS, option B ROM, option C RAM, option D ASCII or option E CD. What will be the answers? इसका उत्तर होगा option C, that is random access memory, that is RAM, RAM. Okay, coming to the next question. Soft copy is the intangible output, so what is the hard copy? Soft copy is the intangible output, so what is the hard copy? Here the hard copy is the printed output, option C. Okay, next 15. The altering of data so that it is not usable unless the change are undone is option A ergonomics, option B biometrics, option C compression, option D encryption or none of this. इसका उत्तर होगा option D, that is encryption. Next question, that is question number 16. One nibble is equal to dash bits. One nibble is equal to 4 bits. Option A. चलिए next question, that is question number 17. Which type of software is used in the design of product structure, civil engineering drawings and maps? ये तो बहुत easy question है, that is CAD programs. Option A. Next question, question number 18. Firewalls are used to protect against. Firewalls are used to protect against option A unauthorized attack, option B virus attack, option C data driven attacks, option D fire attack or none of these. इसका उत्तर होगा A unauthorized attack. Okay, next question number 19. The main function of the ALU is to, main function of the ALU is to perform arithmetic and logical operations, or store data and information for further use, or control computer output such as printing, or monitor all computer activities, or none of this. Here the answer is option A, perform arithmetic and logical operations. Okay, next question, that is question number 20. Which of the following are type of sound files? That is LOG log files, DAT files, WAV files, DRV files और none of these. इसका उत्तर होगा ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज WAV files. Next, question number 21. What kind of protocol is used to provide internet access from mobile? What kind of protocol is used to provide internet access from mobile? Option A, TCP or IP, ISD or WAP or HTTP or none of these. इसका उत्तर होगा ऑप्शन सी, that is WAP, wireless application protocol. Okay guys, next question number 22. World Computer Literacy Day is observed on World Computer Literacy Day is observed on December 2. That is option A. Next, question number 23. Malicious software is known as option A, badware, B, malware, C, maliciousware, option D, legalware or none of this. So guys, what will be the answer? इसका उत्तर होगा malware, that is option B. Next question, question number 24. The database administrator's function is an organization's is the database administrator's function is an organization is क्या होगा? To be responsible for the more technical aspects of managing the information contained in organizational database, or option B, to be responsible for the executive level aspect of decision regarding the information management. Option C, to show the relationships among entity classes in a data warehouse, or to define which data mining tools must be used to extract data, और none of this. तो इसका उत्तर क्या होगा? The answer is option A. The database administrator's function is an organization is to be responsible for the more technical aspects of managing the information contained in organizational database. Okay. Next question. Question number 25. The amount of time required by a storage device to retrieve data and program is its retrieval speed, capacity, memory, storage or access speed. इसका उत्तर क्या होगा? इसका उत्तर होगा access speed, that is option E. Okay guys, next question, question number 26. Second generation computers are made of vacuum tube, transistor, LSI, VLSI or none of these. इसका उत्तर होगा ऑप्शन बी, that is transistor. Next, 27. Red triangle at the top right corner of a cell indicates A, there is an error in the cell. Option B, there is a comment associated with the cell. Option C, the font color of the text in cell is red. Or option D, the cell cannot expect formula. Or option E, none of this. Red triangle at the top right corner of a cell indicates option B, that is there is a comment associated with the cell. Next, question number 28. Primary key is a common key, unique key, input key या output key. The answer is unique key. तो याद कर लीजिए, primary key is a unique key. Next, question number 29. Dash is not a graphics file format at question number 29. Dash is not a graphics file format that allowing animation to be viewed on a computer. Dash is not a graphic file. Okay. So इसका ऑप्शन है GIF, PNG, MP8, WMF और EMF. इसका उत्तर होगा MP8, बाकी सब आपका ग्राफिक्स फाइल है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, what does the .org domain represent? What does the .org domain represents? Option A, education domain. Option B, organization domain. Option C, network domain. या ऑप्शन डी, गवर्नमेंट डोमेन, और नन ऑफ दिस। .org का मतलब होता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डोमेन, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी। ओके गाइस, चलिए नेक्स्ट 31, one-way authentications is based on one-way authentication is based on possessions of a secret, that is password, or possession of an artifact, or unique psychological or behavior characteristics of the user, or all of the above, or none of this। तो 31 का उत्तर क्या बताइए, क्या होगा? इसका उत्तर होगा ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज possessions of a secret। Okay, next question number 32, dash is not a web browser, dash is not a web browser। Here the options are Java, Mozilla, Netscape Navigator, Internet Explorer, और none of this। इसका उत्तर होगा Java। Okay, option A। Next question, question number 33, kernel is a central component of, kernel is a central component of a part of CPU, an operating system, a hardware, a register, or none of this। क्या होगा उत्तर इसका? kernel is a operating system। Okay, next question, that is question number 34, Google Plus is another alternative to which of the following site? ठीक है, ऑप्शंस आर Bing, Amazon, Yahoo, Facebook, और none of this। इसका उत्तर होगा फेसबुक, दैट इज ऑप्शन डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, which of the following is not true about RAM? इसका उत्तर होगा ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज RAM is not a hard disk। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 36, if you wish to limit what you would see on an Excel worksheet, what data function would you use? Sort, filter, conditional format, और data analysis, और none of this। इसका उत्तर होगा फिल्टर, ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 37, IDE stands for integrated disk error, input data error, integrated development environment, integrated disk environment, or none of this। IDE stand for option C, that is integrated development environment। Okay, next question number 38, IC, integrated circuit chips used in computer are made with, IC chip used in computer are made with copper, aluminium, gold, silicon, और सिल्वर। IC जो चिप होता है इसको किस धातु से बनता है? इसका उत्तर होगा सिलिकॉन, ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39, expansion cards are inserted into, expansion card are inserted into expansion slot or peripheral device, CPU, the back of the computer, or pegs। इसका उत्तर होगा ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज expansion slots। And our last questions, that is question number 40, office LANs that are spread geographically apart on the large scale can be connected using a corporate CAN, LAN, DAN, WAN, or TAN। What will be the answer? इसका उत्तर होगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज WAN, वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क। ओके, तो गाइज थैंक यू सो मच। तो बताइए कैसा लगा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो डेफिनेटली लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना। ओके, चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहिए और नोटिफिकेशन डेफिनेटली ऑन करके रखिए, जैसे हम नया वीडियो डालेंगे तो आपके पास तुरंत उसका नोटिफिकेशन जाए। आई विश कि 20 जो नंबर है मेंस में आरआरबी पीओ चाहे क्लर्क हो, इसे आपको 20 में से 20 ही मिले। तो चलिए खत्म करते हैं। गुड बाय एंड सी यू सून।